everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I'm going to repot this snake plant. I'm going to remove it from its old pot, which is too small for it now, and I'm going to move it into a new pot which I have purchased today. Please stay with me as I repot this plant and you can share this experience with me. Thank you, and you're always welcome to my channel. Here we have the pot that was purchased to repot the snake plant. A simple pot, nothing exceptional about it, but I personally like the color, and I think it will blend very well in the space that it will be. I think it's a 13-inch pot, and it should be adequate to house the snake plant. Here I have my potted plant mix that will be used to repot the plant. This should have nutrients for at least 6 months and should be healthy for the plant to thrive. Next, over here I have my hand trowel. Next I have my pair of scissors. And over here I have my pair of old work gloves that we will be using for this repotting. These are all that we will require, so stay tuned and watch as we repot this plant. We're now going to take the plant on the outside, as this is where we're going to do the repotting. I'll have it on the outside, and we're going to use the scissors to remove the old. Now we're going to use the scissors to cut the old pot. Next we are going to remove the plastic from the new pot. Now we are going to use a screwdriver to remove these two holes at the bottom for drainage, as you can see. So the two holes for drainage have been unplugged. We are now going to open the potted plant mix and put some of this potted soil into the new pot. Move the plant from the old pot to the new pot and fill it up with dirt. So the repotting is complete and we're going to take back the plant on the inside to its location. So over here we have the old pot and here we have the plant in its new pot. This is a plant back inside in its area. Tell me, do you like the pot? Does it complement the area? Share with me and let me know if you enjoy this experience.